Gentiana flowers, nature's elegance. Gentiana, known for its captivating beauty, is a genus of flowering plants. These exquisite blossoms, with their striking azure hues, adorn alpine meadows, adding an enchanting touch to nature's tapestry. These hardy perennials are prized for their vibrant petals and are often associated with healing properties. Gentiana's delicate yet robust presence in high-altitude environments serves as a testament to nature's resilience. These exquisite flowers are a symbol of purity and resilience, making them a favorite among flower enthusiasts and horticulturists.